Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a line using a distance interval. So as you hit each distance interval, it will store a point automatically for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the orange plus button to bring up the select record type option. Within the menu here, I'm going to select line. And then my GPS capture method, I'm going to make sure that I have the auto option selected. And you can see here, I can change the interval. So right now it's set to seconds and it's going to record one every 2 seconds. But as I said, I want it to be doing a distance interval. So I'm going to do mine every 2 meters here. I'm going to click start. That's going to allow me to create a new line. And you can see it's put a point down on my first position here. And what I'm going to do is as I move around, you're going to see that every 2 meters or so, a new line point is going to be created. And once I've fully drawn out my line, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on finish there in the bottom of my screen, and that's going to bring up my line record type menu where I can enter all of my relevant information, which once I have that all entered, I can click on save and continue along my merry way. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use the line interval tool to automatically draw your line within Uinta. And if you have a moment, I will please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.